Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depend wherever you are located from. I greet you, my people. You are welcome once again to my TV. Today, there is matter when I want discuss. Mo just speak the English as we see and so. You get matter when I want discuss concerning wetin people, how people take dey push people reach war. Now that matter now I carry come today. When you go dey compare person with another person, so that matter e don lead many people for where they not supposed dey today. They don't dey there. So people just come like this, they'll say, no be today this matter start. Oh, it don't tey when the matter starts. They will just come, they say, come oh, you know they see that person, you know they see that person, you know see say not be as you be so that person be. You understand? You know see that sister, you don't they make am oh, you just did there, you never make her. You see the mumu they go. You know see that brother, you don't make am oh, you just did there, you never make am. So all those words, it don't destroy many people. It don't destroy many people. It don't destroy them. It don't destroy many people. Una not they compare. Una not compare any person with any person at all. Because everybody get their own destiny. Everybody get their own time. Your own time might not be that person's time. Yes. Your own time might not be that person's time. So the thing sometimes it go dey bother me. It go dey bother me. When person go dey compare, they go dey compare you. This matter I don't say when it start. Oh. Not be now the matter starts. It don't tey. Even some of our parents self, that they do that thing well, that they even do a pass. Some of them, they don't push their pikin put for where they're not supposed push their pikin put. They don't push their pikin push where they're not supposed push and put. You know they see that one. Now you don't build that for your mama. What you don't fit do. Or now you don't build that for your sister or your brother or your father. What you don't fit do. The person go the reason, I want to do this thing now. Ma take build us for my mama or ma take build us for my papa. Even when the person self never even chop belle full. And I go they push am. You know, say one thing na to tell person word. Another thing na for that person, when you don't tell am word, you don't tell am. Either the person he go sit down for one corner, he go the reason every word when you tell am. As you tell am Genesis to Revelation, he go the reason am. See what my mama they tell me oh, see what my papa they tell me oh. They say this girl, when they born me with her the same year, say and me with her the same place. So say this girl don't make her, me I never make her. He go the trust he want to make her to make his parents make them they happy. From there he go enter problem. From there you go enter problem. Some people will come, they'll say, you know the shame. See all your mates that don't marry finish. You know one marry. They go they laugh you. They go laugh you. Even you self, you go even confused. You don't know what you want to do again. From there you say, what I want to do now? What I want to do? You go do what you're not supposed to do. Most of our guys nowadays, now waiting people they talk, now I push the poof where they're not supposed to. Bros, you know just they try. See your mate they do this, your mate they do that, you know if you do. The person go sit down. See as they just they laugh me. See as they just they laugh me. May I go find out what that my friend take get that money. Me I go find out, may I use and take get that money. From there you go enter one chance. But we learn how to control our mouths. Because this mouth when we get so, now they fire day. This mouth, if it save you, if it destroy you. Not be lie, my people. Because no, your mind not fit be my mind. Everybody not get the same mind. Somebody fit tell you something, you will just take am likely, say I beg you know, just reason am. But another person go tell am that word, you go reason am, him brain self not even fit carry am. Because maybe the way you take talk to am, the way you take tell am, him brain not fit reason. You go reason am, the thing go dey hot am for inside body. E go dey hot am. Life na jejeje o. Life na jejeje, na small na be life. There's no hurriness in life. Una no dey compare. Don't compare me with anybody. Nobody should compare me with anybody. Finally, now God go do am. That person when you dey push, you know, dey shame. Don't marry your mate. Don't marry. You never marry. God will come do am, and maybe you come marry. Now still they count years dey follow. You know, see, you don't reach 5 years when you marry, nothing. You don't reach how many years when you marry, nothing. Waiting they happen. Now still carry that wahala, take face am. You go start to dey think again. Start to dey think again. Why? Una don't know how they encourage person. With that, you not use maths, take chop that person. Or with that, you not laugh that person. Encourage that person. There's nothing like encouragement. Nothing like encouragement at all. Encourage that person. Encouragement matters a lot. Encourage her. Let her know, say, your time they come. When your time come, you go shine. When your time come, you go make calm. When your time come, everywhere go dey okay. Una no dey try to dey push. As e dey for man, na so e dey for woman. Na so e dey for everywhere. As e dey for married people, na so e dey for people who never marry. And so e dey for our parents. Na so e dey for our sisters or our brothers. Na so e dey. I saw it there everywhere. The matter don't tire me. When God don't finally, maybe you don't do, say, okay, you don't still do this one. See, human being can never be satisfied in life. Oh. They can never be satisfied in life. When God don't finally do it, you say, okay, this one when they talk now, don't still do it. You will see say they will get another place again, another way again, when they will take care of another matter come. Can't use and hit for head, bam. They begin to dey talk. People want to be talk. They'll go dey talk. They don't use and destroy many home. If your husband good for you, they go talk. They say maybe you get what you they use for them. If you're not good for you, they go talk. So you're not good. You're not good. More they try to encourage people. Be you girl, be you any person. Try. When somebody carry matter can't give you. See how this matter they play. Give her the words of encouragement. Not give her the words of discouragement. The words of encouragement matters a lot. Not the words of discouragement. You know, say this life one we dey so, you know, easy. All fingers are not equal. All fingers are not equal at all. Mouth don't let people commit suicide. Mouth. You chop the person, chop and. You know, say not be everybody get mind to bear now. Everybody get mind to bear. No. Not be everybody get mind to bear. You don't chop and. You go think and. You don't even fit think am again. The matter tire am. It tire am past any other thing. e tire am. May our parents, may they still try to encourage us no matter anything. May they still try. Some of our parents not they encourage. Some see they encourage you. Some mama na mama, they go encourage you. Be patient in life. Me and they use this opportunity now to advise everybody in life. Life na jejeje na small. Una dey patient. Dey patient and dey prayerful. Nothing when God not dey fit do. It might take little time, but definitely if na your turn to shine, e no go pass you by. If you don't reach your turn when God want to bless you, if you like, you hide for one place, God will still locate you for there. He will surely bless you. He will surely bless you. When I know they follow what people they talk, let them talk. If they talk finish, not put. If you see person tell you like 5 words, it tell you 5 words, and you can't see and say out of that 5 words when that person tell you, if not too good, when you reason and say these 2 now you like, just pick up, throw away the rest. Just throw away the rest. Even though they tell you, say that day I still talk to you, you see they do and you never see change. Say I beg. Not use your own tay, not use your own tay, wahala my own. Pick the 2 when they important for inside. Use and do work. Because some people when they discourage person, if you really watch them Genesis to Revelation, you see say their own not still too dey perfect like that too. E no dey perfect at all, but they like to cover their own, to like to bring you come out. They go bring you come out, discourage you. You don't even know your left from your right again. Go and marry, go and get children, go and do this, go and get money, go and build that, go and do this. Now they won't tell you what to do. Everybody know what you want to do for a life. Everybody get what you want to do. Everybody get your own destiny. Everybody get your own time. What you like might not be what I like. What you hate might not be what I hate. No. Now the matter now I carry come. Now I carry come. And another matter when I want to chook mouth put. Because many things now they happen for social media, they happen for everywhere, the whole world. Because sometimes I go they hear this matter when they happen there, you go they itch me for a year when they will say, Papa, go rape Pikin. What's this word they turn into? I don't hear all this matter since so. I just the reason now. What's this word they turn into? Your own Pikin though. Your own Pikin. What is the word they turn into? I remember that time when we just they grow. We go just they naked for a while. Our parents they bath for outside. They do many things for outside. Who sends you? Sometimes I go sit down and say, all these things they happen. Unto waiting now. Maybe your Pikin they naked for where you dey, or this is that. You can't get that urge. It's not good though. It's not good. It's not good at all. Your own Pikin when you born. Some go come they blame the mother. You not poor for your Pikin. Wait though, you come they blame the mama say you not poor for your Pikin. I don't understand. Poor for a Pikin when papa they carry him. You will come tell and say, maybe papa not carry him again because you want poor. I say, all the next say na because say na get Pikin. If not side that, I go say, okay, fine. You need to poor. Not be saying you want papa again, or you will come the keke body, they watch how papa take carry him, or papa not take carry him. That one don't make sense to me. Oh. To show say the word itself, it need deliverance. It don't make sense. Because now you born now your Pikin too. As me take born now, so you take born now. Now equal right now we get. So why go they fear for body say this might get Pikin as they grow, make her they look at papa well, make you not do what he's supposed to do. I'm not supposed to think that thing. That thing sef not supposed, you're not even supposed to even think am one day. Now because the way when the world now don't turn, everybody want come dey suspect. If you can't leave your pikin for house now, maybe your mind fit not settle again. No, Mona not dey think like that. Mona not dey think like that. Only wetin we need now to dey educate our children. We will educate them. We will tell them say this one is good and this one is bad. So when they meet the bad one, they'll say, my mommy have already told me that this part is very, very bad. And then go even fit talk for them. No, my mommy said this or my mommy said that. Because me, I remember that time our mom, they tell us all this word. Even the one where they tell us that time self, they go even tell you say, if you just dey waka for road, if man just touch you like this, you don't carry belle. So you self not go even let any man touch you, because you don't understand wetin that touch yourself, even me. When man they greet you now, you go touch like this, you will just pick crazy, you just dey run. Because your man don't tell you. They don't tell you. Oh, they try to encourage ourselves. Both you mother or both you father, more they try to encourage ourselves, and more they try to encourage our children. Try to encourage everyone that is around you. Not they discourage. No, not they discourage at all. That be the matter. And this thing one I see they do, they compare people. See this girl, you know, say as it set finish. Look at you, you don't even set. Everybody get your own beauty for body. You don't feel they satisfied the one when you get with the one when you get. Nobody ugly for this life, oh. Not just money. Nobody ugly. Our people say, oh, face sonny. You go ya boy. Soup when sweet. Now money killer. Oh, face sonny. You go boy. I beg my people. I beg my people. More would they prayerful, more they encourage ourselves, more they encourage our children, more they encourage everybody that is around us. More they encourage. More they encourage, more they encourage, more they encourage. More not they too compare people. More not they use mouth to they chop people, because he don't lead many people to many things. No matter what the person they pass through, try to encourage them. Give her hope. Let her know say when there is life, there is hope. Una not they discourage. Your mate don't born, you never born. Your mate don't get money, you never get money. Your mate don't marry, you never marry. Your mate don't build us, you never build us. Your mate don't get this one, you never get that one. No. More stop all this mate issue. More stop am. More stop am. All this mate. More stop am. That's all, my people. I be the matter when I carry come. May God see us through. We know say it's not easy. The word self not easy. It's not easy at all. Who tell you say it's easy? Na lie. That person they lie. Even if you even see all these big people when don't make up for life, if you even try to ask them, say I be for the beginning, they'll still let you know say it's not easy for them for the beginning. Money not they fall for sky. Oh. They'll still tell you say they pass through stress. So now they suffer past self before they reach that place where they dey. They suffer. Not be small. You know, say where everywhere don't pepper soup for them. They'll say, this person not suffer. Not lie. The person suffer. Maybe he not fit tell you the story, or he not fit tell you say I tell happen. Even though say na rich man pikin, You still get where you for still suffer small. Not easy. Not be say papa just dey pack the money, your mama just dey pack the money give am. You still pass little stress before you still get all those things. Small. Words of encouragement is very, very vital. Very, very vital. We will try to encourage everyone around us. We will not they use our mouth to kill them. We will not they use our mouth to damage them. We will not they use our mouth to in fact, to they laugh them. Go they laugh person. Laugh and. You will see this one for your body, you use and laugh and. You will see the other one, you use and laugh and. You will see the other one. You feel not laughing directly, you go they laugh indirectly. The same person when you they tell you matter. Njale is person can't tell where you roko. Onye we guama. Onye we guase. Or Mariam. Person when you they discuss a matter, even though you not mention that person's name, you know say na a matter you they discuss. If he not even ask you, if you decide to say, abeg, let me let this person be, I'm not gonna ask him. But you know say you really they laugh him, or you really they discuss against her. You really know. And some people say something go even they bother you too. You go even carry give them, they go worsen everything for you. So sometimes I can't they think I'm again. If something they bother you, who you supposed to discuss with? Because there is no friend in life again, no. There is no, this one is my best friend, bestie. I'm not sure say it again. Better discuss your problem. Discuss and give God. Because they're not going to see any meaningful thing when they want to help you. And to discourage you or one thing or the other. Just better carry your problem. Let God say, see what you they pass through. Now only He know. Now only He go fit help you. You understand? Now only He know, and now only He go fit help you. Now it be the matter when they grant. Me, I not get power to the chat too much. So the matter, I don't think when they bother me. They bother me. I said today, this matter, I go talk more. I go talk this matter today. When I know they compare person again. You do this, they will compare you. When you finally say you don't do this, they will compare you. When you finally say you don't do this one, they will compare you. No. When they push that person, no good. You they push them too much. When they push that person too much, no good. Compare you say you never do this one. You say okay, let me try. They'll still compare you never do this one. What did they happen? Sometimes you go see some people call, you know go even feel pick them again. You go say, what did this person want tell me again now? The word when you want tell me self. Instead of me to pick this call now, when you go tell me the word, I'll begin to think, say, see the way they talk to me. I beg me the phone just did the ring. I not feel pick. Because you know they encourage you. I not feel pick. Make that phone just did the ring. You know, consider on your own, they jolly for your mind, they happy, even though money not there, anything not there, but just they happy. Person will just carry call, you go talk, you just drop the call, you will remain small, you they cry. You say, oh God, why I pick this call? No. Now everywhere this thing do, make person not start to they say, nah, yeah. Some people now, they'll come say, you they talk their matter. Make person not carry mouth, they chuk. Everywhere this thing dey. Everywhere. Una no dey try am again. Una no dey try am. It dey hurt many people. It dey hurt. Not be everybody will fit come out like this. Can't tell you say, wetin you tell me that day, the way you take talk to me, I not like am. It hurt me. No. It dey hurt many people. Compare. You see as you be, you no fit be like this person. I want to be like that person. Now that person creates himself. Now me create myself. You no fit be like this person, or you no fit be like this person, or you're so okay. Make I try to be like this person. You just dey hurt yourself indirect. You just dey hurt yourself. No make sense. No make sense at all. I greet you, my people. I greet you. I greet everybody. I greet you. When I try to, pick one word for this matter when I talk so. When I try to pick am. Okay? I greet everybody. Now do well for watching my video. May God bless you now. Una still dey encourage me. Una still dey share my video. This my video. I still dey do cooking. Many things. But I only start. Okay? We know say we not dey know am all. We not dey perfect. We not dey know am all. Una still dey encourage people. Help me share my video. Una subscribe to my video. Una give this video thumbs up. I beg. If na still get any opinion, una still drop na comments. I beg. Una dey encourage us. Dale si we kelo nyoro mpa ma tonko. Una still dey encourage us so that we fit dey do more. Now yeah, may God bless everybody. May God bless everyone that watched this video. May God bless you. God will grant your heart desire. Anything you find in life, God will surely do it for you. Wait, God's time is the best. God will remember your friends. He will remember you in a better way. Una not let wetin people they talk way una down. Not let wetin people they tell you. Any person around you they tell you where you down. Put your hope in the Lord, and He will see you through. God bless you all. Please subscribe. God bless you. Bye for now.